There are some great books that you a good read on the concept of internet marketing. There's Mastering Online Marketing, where you can create business success through content marketing, lead generation, and marketing automation. Learn email marketing research and entrepreneurship. This is part one of a series. Book one. You can also get Love Based on Online Marketing. Campaigns to grow a business, successfully outranking #1 in Google. Internet marketing, key concepts every business must know. Digital marketing, unlocked 7 proven steps to engage customers, increase sales, and build a smart online strategy in the age of AI. This one is definitely a good read and keeping up with the current trends of today, because everything is AI and much more. If you click on the link behind this video, then you'll be able to get access to these good reads, and I'm sure it will help your business.